Hi guys, so today we are going to Canggu and we have almost reached. कल मैंने पूरा दिन vlog ही नहीं किया because I was like in the moment and enjoying, and then I met one of my friend, like work friend from Singapore. We had like a great time. We went to Alcabran. मेरे पास कुछ clips होंगे तो शायद मैंने vlog में पहले लगा दिया होगा. Alcabran Beach Club, it was amazing, and we went to Dreamland Beach पहले, उससे पहले सुबह workout and all. So finally we are going to Canggu and we are going to stay in a new villa, and we are super excited to see the villa. It's raining really heavily today. आज bright था ही नहीं, but it's drizzling in Canggu. Let's see how is the evening going on. But today will be more relaxed and more, walk around, look around type. Maybe spa later, let's see. So stay tuned to see the villa. Guys, we checked into our villa in Canggu, and this is the villa we are staying in. How stunning it is. Look at this. This is our sunbed. It's still not dark because it's like almost sunset time, and that's our bathroom, but I'll show you later. This is our living space. We have our fully furnished kitchen. There's a couch and there's a TV, and from here we have working room. It's like an office. You can work from here, but we have kept our luggage and going to make this a luggage room. Here is the TV. This is our bedroom, which is so stunning. Look at the vibe, all Bali vibe here going on. And this is the full-size mirror. The washroom is so stunning, I'll tell you. But this is our walk-in wardrobe area. Pretty huge. We have a safe also, and space to get ready, do makeup, skincare. This is our washroom. It's pretty huge with his and hers. Wash basin, toilet, shower area with shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Huge space for bathtub, and here again the typical Bali plant outside the washroom. And from here you can again see the pool and go. You have a pool access from all the rooms. Hi guys, so today is our first morning in Canggu, and we got ready and we came out to have breakfast. And this is a breakfast place called Copenhagen. Very famous. You can see the pool here. They also give you this umbrella because it's pretty hot. Either it's raining or it's hot in Canggu. We are standing on a queue, and it's like Uluwatu was more chilled place, but this is like too busy. The traffic is really bad, but they have like lots of cafes here. We are trying to go to every famous cafe, so today we have come to Copenhagen for our breakfast before. हम लोगों ने कवरा भी कैरी नहीं किया. That's a mistake, it's so hot. हमको कवरा पहन के आना चाहिए. Finally, almost half an hour wait करने के बाद हमें जगह मिला है. Here the idea is you have like options. You can choose either 3 things or 5 things, like bakery में कुछ, salads में कुछ, greens में कुछ, drinks में कुछ, eggs में you can choose your own protein. ये सब तो ये मिला के पूरा एक breakfast platter बन जाता है. So that is what we have ordered our own, and we are going to eat. But this place is too crowded. Let's see if the hype is worth. This is what we have received. We just finished our breakfast and having coffee. Honestly, you can skip this place. It's just overhyped. You can still see the crowd, but there's very limited option The food is okay. I mean, it's okay. Even if you don't come, you'll not miss out on something. So you can skip this breakfast place. Even there's no vibe and all. So just too overcrowded. So we joined a new gym in Canggu and it's called Obsidian. It is even double the size than our gym in Uluwatu, and there's so many zones, so many machines. We are getting overwhelmed what to do, what not to do. So starting our workout from today. So this is our chair. So stunning. I can spend the entire day here. Just look at the vibe. Not only you can work out here, but you can also chill. There are like 4-5 different sections that you can enjoy. This is our outside area for a HIIT workout. That's high intensity workout zone, and this is one of the cafe. And after workout, you can just chill in the infinity pool. So how stunning is this? Look at the view. So right now we are at La Barisa market. It's a Sunday market, so सिर्फ Sunday को ही लगता है, and it's amazing. You get lots of different kind of stuff like accessories, outfits, home decor. There are food, there are places to chill. So this is a very nice place to come here on a Sunday. But it's only till 4 o'clock, so make sure you come early and check out ample of stuff. थोड़ा सा महंगा है नॉर्मल मुझे लग रहा है बिकॉज इट्स अ संडे मार्केट, बट स्टिल यू कैन चेक आउट. इट्स नॉट ओवरली प्राइस ऑल्सो, बट इट्स लाइक डेफिनेटली लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव देन द नॉर्मल स्टोर दैट यू गो. सी द एक्सेसरी शॉप. So stunning, no? This is the bikini shop and they are so cute bikinis. Look at them. मैंने यहाँ से 2 खरीदे हैं. We are at the lawn and look at the vibe. Hi guys, so right now we are in Love Anchor. It's a very famous place to shop in Canggu. The vibe is amazing and even the things that you can buy here, the shops looks very cool and amazing. I will take you through the entire place now and I'll also let you know what to shop from here and what did I buy. So let's go inside. So this place is all about lots of jewelry. कपड़े ठीक ठाक है, but jewelry like there are a lot of options. So I bought some nice line वाले rings and it's stunning. अभी तो मैं दिखा नहीं सकती, maybe I will do a haul or something. But for jewelry, this place is amazing. This is what I'm wearing today. Stunning outfit. We did a lot of shopping. मैंने किया actually.
I did a lot of walking.
And now we are tired. We have come for the sunset, and now today we are sitting actually on the beach.
Proper
beach. ऐसे shacks हैं.
Maria, Maria, she reminds me of West Side Story.
Look at the vibe. I was not able to vlog much, I know, but towards the end of our journey especially, after New Year's onwards. But yeah, today we are leaving for Mumbai, and we are at the airport right now, just checking in, and then we will be heading to home. बहुत दिन ज़्यादा हो गया. I'm already missing Mumbai home, kids, my cats. See you in Mumbai.